How to upload a project in Behance. As you can see here, I'm already on the home page. The way you do it is by pressing up here, share your work, and then project. In here, on this page, you can start building your project. So maybe let's start with an image. I want to show everyone how good I am at editing. Let's start with that. This is just a random image I pulled from my screenshot. You can put in whatever you like. Ideally something that represents your product, so this can be a portfolio, but let's add a text next. Let's add it as editing in DaVinci Resolve. And then maybe let's add a photo grid as well, another image. Let's add a Blender thing. Why not? And after that, let's change the styles as well. Let's move the content spacing a little bit more. The background color, let's make it this shade of red. And now you can attach an asset if you want. Maybe it's like a font, illustration, photos, zips, templates. But in this example, I'm just going to skip that. So let's continue. The cover image will be this. For project title, let's give it example, project tags, screenshot, UI design, user interface, blah blah blah. Now the tools used: DaVinci Resolve, graphic design, illustration. The visibility will be for everyone, or maybe some of this if you have the Pro. And now, after all of this is done, if everything looks right, let's publish it. And just like that, you've uploaded your first project in Behance. It's as easy as that.